Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by measuring your hand span from the thumb tip to the pinky tip fully extended. You should have a hand span of at least 5 inches to palm a men's ball. Use a size 7 basketball with 5-inch circumference for standard palming and dunk practice. Check the ball pressure by squeezing. Keep it slightly under full inflation for more surface grip. Practice this baseline until you can wrap your fingers and heel around the ball without strain. Place the heel of your palm on the lower half of the ball firmly and intentionally. Spread your fingers wide and press your fingertips into the pebble texture to increase friction. Keep your thumb roughly opposite your middle finger for balanced control and reduce slippage during motion. Curl your fingers slightly inward so the ball nests into the palm pocket. Practice releasing and re-establishing this grip while stationary, then while taking 2 quick dribbles and gathering into a jump. Use a straight line, 2 to 3 step approach with controlled speed toward the basket. Drive aggressively with your legs and explode upward, extending fully to reach the rim for a dunk. Protect the ball with your off arm, keeping it between you and any defender to maintain possession. As you peak, pull the ball up and finish by snapping your wrist through the hoop to complete the dunk. Land softly with bent knees and practice repeatedly to coordinate the palm, jump, and finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.